Hey everyone! Welcome back to Money Mind USA. If you've ever thought that you need a huge amount of money to start investing, think again. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start investing with just $100 in 2025, no matter your experience level. So, if you're ready to learn how to make that first step into investing, let's dive in. Let's begin with one of the easiest and most popular ways to get started: fractional shares. If you've ever wanted to invest in companies like Tesla, Amazon, or Google, you might have thought you needed thousands of dollars, right? Well, that's no longer the case. Thanks to fractional shares, you can invest in these big-name companies with as little as $1. Platforms like Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Charles Schwab allow you to buy tiny pieces of expensive stocks, making it possible for anyone to own a piece of a large, successful company, even with just $100. For example, instead of buying an entire Tesla share for $800, you can invest just $50 or $100 in that same stock. This makes it easier to diversify your investments without breaking the bank. Next, let's talk about index funds and ETFs, two of the best ways to diversify your portfolio with a small investment. What does it mean to diversify? Essentially, it means spreading your investments across different sectors and industries to reduce the risk of losing everything if one company or sector drops in value. For just $100, you can invest in an ETF, exchange-traded fund, or an index fund that tracks the entire stock market or a specific index, like the S&P 500. The S&P 500 includes 500 of the largest companies in the US, from Apple to Microsoft, and investing in an ETF that tracks this index gives you exposure to all of them at once. A few popular ETFs that you can check out are Vanguard's VOO or SPY from SPDR. These funds allow you to own small pieces of all these top companies, giving you diversification and long-term growth potential. If you're someone who doesn't want to pick individual stocks or manage your portfolio manually, then a robo-advisor could be the perfect choice for you. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront automatically invest your money for you based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. All you need to do is answer a few questions about your investment preferences, and the platform will create a personalized portfolio that suits your needs. The great thing about robo-advisors is that they handle all the complex stuff, like rebalancing your portfolio and optimizing it for growth. Plus, you don't need to be an expert to use them. Even if you're a complete beginner, robo-advisors make investing easy and stress-free. And the best part? You can start with as little as $100. Now, let's talk about real estate. Real estate has traditionally been an investment that required large sums of money. But thanks to platforms like Fundrise, it's now possible to get started with as little as $100. Fundrise allows you to invest in real estate projects, both residential and commercial, by pooling your money with other investors. This gives you the chance to own a small piece of a real estate property and earn rental income or profit from property appreciation, all without having to buy an entire building. It's a great way to get exposure to real estate without the need for massive capital upfront. Let's move on to one of the most talked about investment opportunities in recent years: cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others have taken the world by storm, offering high returns, but also high risks. The good news is that you can start investing in cryptocurrency with as little as $10 or $20. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance allow you to buy fractions of cryptocurrencies, so you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin for $30,000. With just $100, you can start building your crypto portfolio. Keep in mind that crypto is highly volatile, so you should only invest money you're willing to lose. But if you believe in the future of digital currencies, this can be a great way to get involved in a cutting-edge market. Another investment option that's gaining popularity is peer-to-peer lending. With peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club, you can lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest. This means you're essentially acting as the bank, earning a return on your investment when borrowers repay their loans with interest. While peer-to-peer lending can offer attractive returns, it's important to note that it does come with some risk, as not all borrowers will repay their loans. But with $100, you can start small and diversify across different loans to spread the risk. So there you have it. 6 different ways you can start investing with just $100. Remember, the key to successful investing is consistency. Even if you only have $100 to start with, Putting that money to work now could lead to significant growth in the long run. Don't wait until you have more money. Start now and let the power of compound growth work for you. The sooner you start, the more time your investments have to grow. So, pick a strategy, get started today, and watch your money grow over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Mind USA for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments which investment strategy you're most excited to try. I'll see you in the next video. Invest smart and invest early.